Yeah, I would touch on, again, documentation, not only the data that you're using and the characteristics of that data and the variables that were applied to that data when it was collected, the scenarios for actually creating that data, but also when the model is being built, what test cases are you looking at? And what does that actually mean? What does the interpretation of that model actually mean? Because maybe to Doug's point here is you can have two different models that produce different results, but what does that really mean? That they are not useful? Is it saying, are they different results but they're saying the same thing possibly, or are they different results and they're saying totally different things? You really have to understand what your model is doing and what your results are telling you, and documentation certainly helps with that. It helps with the knowledge transfer too, but also the quality of data. You have to be able to understand what your data is capable of telling you, so that you can understand what the results of your model mean. So you have to be very aware of the data and again, how the data was collected, the different variables, what they mean, so that you don't make incorrect assumptions about your model.